I thought I'd run to the store for a minute. Can you say that? Store for a minute. Gonna pick up some barbecue. It's Sunday. And the grocery store makes barbecue for you, so you don't have to make it yourself. Don't you like that? Sure. I know I do. In fact, I like the way I say that. Do you like the way you say that? Barbecue? So we'll go to the grocery store and we'll pick up some chicken or some ribs or some summer sausage, and then we'll bring it home and we'll eat it, and it'll be good. Sure. We're at the grocery store. This is where they have the summer sausage. We can barbecue and we don't even have to clean the grill afterwards. Don't you like the way they do that? I know I do. Sure. We got the last 2 chickens and a sausage. Can you say that? Last 2?